Hi, welcome back to Amrutha's kitchen. Today I am making chana masala or chickpeas curry. It's my simplest recipe. It takes only 30 minutes to prepare and cook. There are two ways you can make chickpeas curry. One with the dry chana that you soak it overnight for 6 to 8 hours and cook it in the morning. It gives an authentic taste. The other way is the canned chana, which is the quickest and easiest way to prepare. The only ingredient you have to cut is the onion. Rest is all you can toss it in. I'm going to show you the ingredients. First we'll try with the dry chana, how I make dry chana. So you take 2 cups of dry chana into a pan or a pot and soak in water. You fill until the chana gets soaked and leave it for 6 to 8 hours overnight. And you have to use a pressure cooker to cook it. After cooking 10 minutes in the pressure cooker, the chickpeas got cooked. You can check by squishing. If they are not cooked, you can cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And don't throw the water. We are going to use the water for the sauce mix. In canned chana, you have to buy this size of 2 cans. They are 398 ml. Ingredients of this recipe are green chillies, cinnamon, cloves, onions, cilantro, tomato sauce, chana masala, ginger, garlic paste, and some cumin seeds. You can buy chana masala in any store, like Walmart, Target, or even Amazon. They are selling it. It's any brand you can buy. I'm using MDH. You can get Everest or National brand. Any other brand you can use it. 2 cans of organic tomato sauce. You can buy the local tomato sauce, or you can have your own fresh tomatoes, cut it and grind it. But I'm using canned tomato sauce for the simple and easy way. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare. First we cut the onions, 2 onions finely chopped like this. See, I already cut some onions. Next, I'm going to cut 2 green chilies finely chopped like this. I'm going to put the pan on the stove top and I put it on medium flame. I'm going to add 3 spoonfuls of oil. You can use any oil. Once the oil is heated, roughly 2 to 3 minutes, add cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, and then 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, let it roast for a minute, adding green chilies and then the onions, and you have to, until it turns reddish color, you have to leave it on medium flame. 1 teaspoon turmeric, and you roast it until the onions turn reddish color. That will be roughly around 3 to 4 minutes. The flame to high, little bit high mode, so that, and keep stirring the onions until they turn reddish brown. The last ingredient is a pinch of sugar. Add 1 spoonful of ginger garlic paste to onions and keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. You add 2 cans of tomato sauce. You can put the water from the chickpeas to these cans. the water from the chickpeas and you stir it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 spoonful of Chana Masala. Stir it. Leave it for 8 to 10 minutes until the oil comes out of the sauce. Taste the sauce and see whether the spice is enough or not. It needs a half more spoon of the Chana Masala. Half spoon of Chana Masala I am adding. And I am adding the rest of the water from the chickpeas. Cooked chickpeas. If you are using a canned one, you can add 2 cups of water to the sauce. See the color. Let it boil for another 6 to 7 minutes. Sauce is cooking. In the meantime, I'm going to cut the cilantro finely chopped, around 3-4 stalks. You can use it. After 8 to 10 minutes boiling the sauce, see it's bubbling. The sauce is bubbling. Now you add the cooked chickpeas. The whole thing. Stir it. You can taste the sauce and check if it needs salt or spice or water. If it is too sour, then you can add water. If it is not spicy, you can add a half teaspoon of Chana Masala and cook it another for 5 to 10 minutes. Eat this chickpeas curry with naan, bread or rice or pita bread too. Today I am making naan. This is I bought it from the shop. Any naan will be okay. Some people like to toast in the toaster oven, but I am doing on the pan. I add little bit of 1 teaspoon of butter. On both sides I add this butter and fry it. Now the chana is ready. You can know by seeing the bubbles coming out of this sauce. That means it's cooked. You can take it into a bowl with the sauce. And you can garnish with cilantro, some onions if you want to, and a slice of lime. Eat it with naan. Enjoy with naan and chana masala. Chana masala took only 30 minutes to prepare and cook. Enjoy.